People, this is Jamaica good life. Blessed love to one and all. Love it, love life and live. Happiness and everything. You see me, St. Mary, I love you. I'm going to gas up the car and come take my time and get to know you all over again. You see me? Your big houses, them, your waterfronts, the banana tree, the mansions and everything that you have. Look at you, St. Mary. You're beautiful. Eh? Look how you're beautiful. And them now, I love you. You are safety for Jamaica. And St. Mary, I'm going to rename you as the hope. You are the hope of the future of Jamaica. I want to bring home a lot of people because of you. Because of St. Mary and Portland, especially St. Mary, it's a healing place. So all those who want healing and want peace and tranquility, this is Jamaica Good Life. I highly recommend, St. Mary to come back home to. And I'm gonna rank it top. Now people worry about medical. This is what I'm tell you, so if you have the money, you can do two things. You buy a big piece of land at St. Mary for your farming, living it so you can have the balance, and buy a condo where the best hospitals in Jamaica is. That's it. If this is about your life and the hospital is important to you, buy a little co-op or condo, I don't know them name, a little shabby house and fix it up. Ocho Rios right now, and it's a tourist place, really is, and that's what it is. Ocho Rios is a tourist place. It's beautiful. That's where my family come from. I'm gonna come watch them and call my family. They're gonna be mad at me. But me come back. Kevin, yo, me come back. Ocho Rios. Now there's a place that I know that the same thing where you walk down a hill. And the river meet the thing. So you said that now work again, right? Yeah, it's so how much it costs to go into Knutsford Falls? You've never been? Okay. Now come on, what you come out? Now come on, what you come discover it? Me I come out watch you. Yeah man, I'm gonna go back again. I'm full joy Jamaica man. I need all your falls map them, just share them with me. By the time you come back, you say, you don't know the falls there without me? Hey, if you wait too long, you get looped. Hey, no, we're going to do the falls then with you. Once I have a bunch of breadfruit in the car, as breadfruit, I say, I roast breadfruit, I say. I'm a fried breadfruit with coconut oil. All them coconut there for tourists, I'm all $300, $400, right? Actions is actions and factions is factions. We just want to ask. People, this is Jamaica Good Life. So right now this are the king with the beads when I want in the strength. Give them a name.
Yeah man, a fire flasher, you know. Representing.
Where you come from, Ochi?
Yeah man, Ocho Rios, yeah. Yeah,
Fire flasher.
Yeah, man, right.
Slowly give your phone number. Slowly.
Alright. 1-876-845-2569. See?
Say it again.
845-2569. Natural, you know?
So when the ladies them come and they want protection.
Yeah. Yes, boss, yeah.
A 48,000 me serve.
Alright.
In a positive way.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
They want come and they want protection. So when them leave,
yeah,
they must say you take care of them.
Yeah, all left are good. Yeah, that one about Mali. Yes, nice fruit them too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how we keep it natural.
So you run Ocho?
They don't know. You have to call it, yeah. Police them, but we run around the place.
Good,
yeah,
good, good.
Yeah.
So all the beads them.
Yeah, man. All of them, man. All of them.
Jaja, I love it. I love it. Let me see the white one.
This one are for the ladies them, right? We go on them with waist beads.
Yeah. So you say fire flash.
Fire flasher, yeah.
Fire flasher.
The music too, they can find up on YouTube too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Fire flasher feature lamp fire high grade music video. That's one of my hit song on YouTube. Yeah, high grade couple years now.
Good. Fire flasher. I love it. I love it. People, so when we get the shell to them, we get around to get the shell. Now what the shell represent?
The shell represent the sea and the whole life out there, you know, Asians, you know.
So now I'm a king of the sea now.
Yeah, all is possible.
I used to run the mountain, so now you're a fire flasher.
Yeah, man, you eat here and water, you know, balance the thing.
Give thanks.
Yes,
Peace
man.
and love.
Yes.
It's a pleasure to meet you, and more powers we will.
Man, give us something tomorrow.
Oh, blessed and love. Thank you, my brother.
Rastafari.
Peace and love.
Yeah, man.
Enough things me I go bring you enough. You just know me.
Yeah, me know my everything.
I'm moving forward.
Yes, daddy.
Peace and love.
Heart and love.
Yes, sir.
Yes, general.
Love.
You have your number too, though.
Yeah, man. Yeah, have it because enough things we bring for the people, them.
Actually.
I used to become a see I wear this.
Yeah.
I go and bless you.
Alright, yes. Big week I'm meeting before you.
Talk.
When you can't problem. I'm in name fire flasher, the fire dasher, remember? So the first thing me do when me rise, me have to do something wise. High grade split me want to open me eyes, me no bun bush weed. I make up nice. When you give me high grade, it's like you give me the vibe. Touching mineral, letting lively and no funeral. Hail King Selassie, Marcus, Garvey and Queen Amiga. Now the morning as me rise. Element of surprise. Say the first thing me do when me rise, I have to do something wise. High grade split me want to open me eyes, me no bun bush weed. Highly high, bless her.
Give me a little roll, give me a little sample, give me a little thing. Hey! This is sample, not a trample right away. I know say orange we say sometimes Manchester, Portland and Clarendon. So Flyer Fasher say, hey, we have to test it out here and see what good. Fire flasher.
Best in the West, not test. Yeah man, heart of love.
Peace.
Yeah, come go.
Yes. See the people around there step out. We say we try to give up the cow and we choose the pop chow. And Fire Flasher bless me. So Jatori, a your town. You see me? A your city, so you know, so we keep it nice and easy. Give thanks, my G. Alright, come through. Haven't been to going down. This is Drax Hall. First time in here, so they build this up. This is Devon House ice cream. For those who haven't come to Jamaica in a while, this is Drax Hall. Let me ask you a question, sister.
Your destination is on the right.
Jaja. In here, so? This is Drax Hall, people. For those who haven't been to Jamaica for a while or watching, everything are built up. And this is where you take the Knutsford, right?
Left here
Uh-huh.
and there, right there.
Oh, wow. This is the Knutsford right here. There we go.
This is the courier part of it.
Courier service. People, this is Ocho Rios. You see they're building up. Now Blake's water store. So, wow. So this is your stomping grounds. Drax Hall. You have your look of pharmacy? What are you looking for? Alright, people. We'll see them on Jamaica right now. I'm gonna say this to you guys in clear English. Do not be afraid. If you're afraid to come home, call me. If you're afraid to make certain decisions, call me. I can give you whatever teachings me know. I can help you with putting your mind right. Do not be afraid. 646-330-9150. Sometimes you don't need to buy all the assets in Jamaica. I plan to live in Botswana when I'm retired, which is now that I'm 50, I'm actually retired, right? I plan to live in Botswana, and I plan to live in Jamaica and stay with families in different locations. But for me to be afraid of Jamaica, I wouldn't be a MAN. I always say, if little children are going to school in ghettos and school teachers are going helping little children, what are we afraid of? We just have to learn to be strategic. Now anything can happen to me. Life is not guaranteed for no one. You see, when I'm driving in Jamaica, the first thing we do, we get up early. There is parasites everywhere in your stomach and upon the road. The road is the human network. When you go up on the road, God will bless you, but it's best you go up on the road before everybody come on it. Life is about variables in the universe. More drivers, more problem. Less drivers, less problem. If you have to go somewhere, pack your bag before, get your gas the night before, get up, make the pick them sleeping at the car with their seatbelt on, and do road 5 or 6 o'clock. The parasite them wake up about 8 o'clock because they don't have no job for go. So did I just change my own tone and everything? I was speaking so nice, but I have to catch myself, you know. It is get a Jamaican running. Because I cause so much good words sometimes when I don't know it, but me's a savage sometimes with the words them, even in a Brooklyn. So back to the focus. Hear what I say. I got some Marcus Garvey come from. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a nice place when it comes to them drivers here. Some of these drivers have never driven a car before. And them sister, brother, auntie car them have. And them a smoke bad weed and a drink bomb while they're driving with their friends. Then I have nowhere to go. You see? So they think this is Mario 100 Speedway. If you go niggerl, if you everywhere you go, you see the parasite them in the daytime. Early morning, the parasite them no wake up 5 o'clock. That's too early for them. Cause them lime and then drink at night time and then tired. Drunk head no wake up at 5 o'clock. About I gotta go to the farm. They don't do that. Am I correct, miss? Right. Thank you. A bushman, a farmer blood people like myself, which is a farmer of cabbage. That's why I'm paying for gas in the car this morning, because the cabbage come in. Am I correct? Right. Good. And the cabbage money when me so my father said running up damn cabbage. You know see I father me keep my purple cabbage there my secret. I don't know see a cabbage money me depend on anytime on the road. So you give yourself people distance. Always give distance. When you see them do their foolishness, don't pay them the mind as best as you can. When me driving, me always driving in the rear view mirror or the mirror there, so side mirror. You know why? I have to drive for the parasites that are coming. You see me? And the people in front of you are gonna kill you, you know. And the one them right, and the big one them behind you in Jamaica. You see what I say? Is the one them behind you, and them are gonna hurt you. You see? So you have to drive for the people in your car. Look, they seal them. Claremont, where my family them come from, passengers. But seal them. motorcycle. But my spirit they tell me say if you in my previous life is a motorcycle, me did have I know. Crash now I want. So when I came back in this life, he said, do not get a motorcycle. I'm tempted, you know. But you see when we reach our 70, at 70, all under that. My green hair I grow all the way down. And the silver fox. And the silver fox that. Yes, sexy lady. You see her? And the bikers them on the road. Bikers them now play. Yeah man, this is St. Now let me ask you. Is one road into St. Ann like this, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Ja.
This is the Salem part of
Salem part of Runaway Bay. Runaway Bay. Alright, my people. Yes, my people. Jamaica, we're in Ocho at the Bay Principal, and this is where my family reunion is. It's gonna be amazing. 100 people, Sicilian tribe. Stand up, put your hands up. Jamaica, good life. See the people coming from St. John's, entering Trelawney. This is what we see. That's why I keep telling our family, don't be afraid of Jamaica. Look at this. When I'm mad, wait till the highway done at Portland. Let me tell you something. Sometimes I feel like I want to have 300 picnic. I can't wait for win the latter. You see me? 300 or 500 I didn't want to know.
Never too late.
Never too late, right? Come and love the country so much more and if I harm me down here to protect you. Tia Shaka Zulu look up the day on the seaside and dance. And if the plane come down with us throw a spear on it and say, no come here. Just like the people them in Madagascar. If you go up on the island near me. You see this a pretty island here? We know say enough queen people will sell out on it, you know. But you see how me little one of the last indigenous Jamaican. Montego Bay 53. I'm one of the last indigenous Jamaican that left. That's why I had to put my life on film it to make them know say. To all the people that I have inspired to come back home. Big up to my brother when named Kes Copeland. The people that Kes, Lisa Chin King. I said nothing. Janet X, don't get so vexed. Patricia Elliott, Miss Hippolyte. This was Jamaica Good Life mission. We keep showing it and showing it till it making our own head. Marcus Garvey said go back to Africa. Randy took the camera and showed them Jamaica. Don't be afraid. This is nation building. The roads are getting to be done in Portland and all that. Everybody in the world they want Portland. You remember when we used to fight for Jamaica? You want to know, say, you know, and the same thing I go come, you know, as far as land ownership and them things there. So this country being so beautiful, and the warriors that I call, big up to Mr. Mac for coming back. What that? The house, eh? So Trelawney, I'm not tour out Duncan's yet. St. Mary, I'm focusing on my eyes on St. Mary. Port, I'm going to get to know the place, get to know the people. St. James, I'm I'm not totally tour out, but I've been in St. James and found some of the good. Westmoreland, we said the grill is beautiful over there, so Hanover, I'm not really reach it yet. Yeah, St. Thomas, I'm not touch it yet. You see? But in time, Manchester will go through Manchester properly. And that's where I come from, I born and grow. But at St. Mary, I learn how to farm, and at Clarendon, them bust my head too. Clarendon, I love you, but right now you're hot. Me pin and not play pin. So, Clarendon, White River. A White River is neighbors, and a Milk River. Milk River. Well, yeah, man, this is Jamaica, so people. This is what my program is about. Take care of yourself. Yes, my people, see that? Duncan's. Big up to Alia. So what the road there go down this? Duncan's at go? Silver Sands Resort is nice.
Yeah.
You know, say, me will never lose my sense of humor. I always will be me from the day I do that show, yeah. Beautiful view, man. I say, I tell you something, once you have gas in a Jamaica, man, and some bulgur, and some breadfruit roast, preferably, even if you fry it. So done. So once you have that, you're good to go. A breadfruit will say keep everything balanced. Make you full of whole bucket of breadfruit. I don't like fried, but it stays longer when you fry it, right? I was dehydrated, not dehydrated. That's better than fry, right? Or what you say, air fryer? So Duncan's are going with them house there. So no ask me people. So Duncan's are going and nobody not tell me. Alright, watch me on them. I come thief out every chicken in the fridge. Every fish now. I'm going to broke in every one of their house there and thief out their food. Cause so now live on not tell me. Alright, right this. I'm on the case. Pass me core bar. Duncan's, I got to take out every chicken out of the fridge that was on the freezer and big house. Watch me out. No say thief in Manchester boy right there come. Pass me crowbar and my night vision. You see Manchester thief then strong. One man take and put the fridge pan him back. When we used to thief and broke people, oh did I say that? I joke, we never used to thief and broke nobody house.
I hope so.
Hey! But me have some friend, right? Them a farmer, them not my friend. One day me see how the youth take up the stove. Me say, boy, how you take up the stove, sir? Oh, sorry. The boy used to take up stove easy. All fridge. One man look, me say, just put a rope on him back and then go out the fridge. You see, some of them farmers you know, afraid of them, you know. When them thief, a youth one time me see him scale the fence and scale the roof. Me say, yo, how you scale the roof so quick? Sorry boss, sorry. No, don't show up your skills around here, okay? Okay, young man? And then me see man looking at the window every time he pass the window. Me say, what you looking at the window for? Some sticky fingers can never stop being sticky fingers. All my fridge chain up on the floor. Me like buy chain, you know. Me stereo, my computer. Say, you working off in my house? Lord God, you never bring a kryptonite. My lock never bring. You can't move me things them. Hey people, me chain up everything. When I used to live at Brooklyn, you know, a 3-4 door lock me have, you know. I'll chain the dip on. Then Brooklyn there was one time, then couldn't take my computer. Then said, Jaja, the man chain up the computer in our house, really bro? So that's how I'm living, bro. So suck some June plum and drink some sour sap tea. Go away.
You're gonna have 10 locks, you have little bits.
Eh?
In New York, they usually have about 10 locks.
10 locks.
You're gonna have little bits.
Me, I'll have, you know, them lock where them put on the door where you, it's a metal, go against the door and it jump.
Yeah, what do you call it?
Yeah. And you know,
The bar.
yeah, and you know, it's a special key where push it aside, right? And that them for bring a Jamaica, nobody can push in no door with that.
No door, you kick down yourself.
Kick down yourself. You hurt. Yo, me never know, yo.
You broke your foot, you try to broke
For real. You know, say, in a real life, never know, say, actual locks like those are made. You know what I say? Where actually a steel in front of the door. Like, what? Try and kick off that. Now work, right? Now work. So that what we have at Brooklyn. No man, Jamaica is not to fear at all. Enough things are going, but once you create a network of people that you know and you can associate with. On the way from, look at that man. So you see, oh, we're staying at St. Mary and now we're going to, what hotel that?
We'll pass it on. It changes names so often we can't keep up with it.
Okay. So
This is going into Palma.
music and every people. Music and every people. Look on the policeman. You see that? Policeman control. That means we have more police in it, more good police in Jamaica. A lot more. Get the people them job, man, and keep everything clean. Change the laws. So if a police do something wrong, you just chop off one end to it. Oh, sorry, did I say that? Yes, I did. Royalton. Danger. A good life up in Coral Gardens. This is a place to stay. Remax land for sale. Wow, look at this, people. So they are mobile now. I feel like Iron Shore. Will be a nice man, nice and windy up here because of the ocean. So up here is not too hot, right?